Based on recent reports and leaks, the DJI Avata 360 is a highly anticipated, unreleased FPV first-person view drone. It appears to be DJI's first drone designed specifically to capture 360-degree video. As of mid-November 2025, this product has not been officially announced or released by DJI. The information available comes from industry leaks and rumors. 8K 360-degree video. This is the flagship feature. The drone is expected to have a dual camera system to capture fully immersive 360-degree footage. It is rumored to operate both as a 360-degree camera drone and as a standard FPV drone, where you can fly with a traditional forward-facing view. Leaks suggest it will be equipped with LiDAR sensors and an omnidirectional sensing system, which would be a significant advancement for an FPV-style drone. The drone is expected to use DJI's Ocusync 4.0 for video transmission for a long-range, stable connection.